Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on Alamy keywording. This tutorial follows the tutorial on using essential keywords, Getty compliant keywording, and we strongly advise that you watch that because this one is going to piggyback on that one and basically go further than we did before with the essential keywords and such. So, and the point of the Alamy keywording is to make the keywords fit the rather cumbersome format that they have for their online submission. So we divide the keywords into the right boxes, and we put brackets around them as they want, and do all of that. And that is, of course, is the hope to the better your keywording there, the better you will your rank will improve and hopefully your sales. So to start with this, let's go to File, Preferences, and in the last tutorial we arranged it for Getty compliant, and we rearranged the weighted keywords so we get the concepts and the emotions and the activities to be the front of the keywords. And now we're going to check the Make Alamy Compliant keywords. And when we do that, all these other little boxes get filled up. And it makes it a 50 character limit instead of 5 words. There's a space for a separator instead of a semicolon, and the brackets are checked. So we say save. And then once again, like Getty, we just start keywording. So let's do this again. Bride and groom. Portrait, looking and smiling, and then we do wedding, and then again once the box is empty I can begin to do the other stuff. Let's do, we want to put in a lot of keywords so we can show how it shows up in the Getty, shows up in the Alamy keywording. So we say waist up, front view, Hispanic, Caucasian, multiracial couple, and 20 years old. Let's do, and we'll just do here, wedding dress. Notice I put it in the wrong box, but since I spelled it correctly, it's going to move it over to where I want. And we want to do romance and marriage. Alright, so we did that one. Let's go do another one. And we do here again the same, bride and groom, wedding, helpful, suit. And I just keep on going until it tells me that I have no more room, and it says that this will raise the number, so I say OK, and then of course I could put a smaller one if I wanted, and then I can just go ahead and start putting things in. And then let's go do one more. Again, the wedding rings. I can do that, and then I can add a plural of it. I can do hand and put that and add a plural of that if I want, and I can do bouquet and put that in. Alright, and we'll just put in close-up people, maybe some concepts, and so let's go ahead and process and see what happens. So we go up here, File, Process. We want to process these images, yes. And when the program has processed the images, we'll go to the keyword layout, which is set up specifically for Alamy keywording. So let's cancel out of that, go to the keywords, and we see that all the phrases have brackets around them. They've been put into their appropriate boxes. This box is the keyword overflow, which shows ones that didn't make the cut. Over here it tells you how many of the keywords fit in, and all of them there. And you can do is you can click on the copy button and then go over to the Alamy submission page and paste it into the right box. Now if you want, you can go and change your brackets from brackets into quotation marks, and if you want to do the whole thing, you can change them all into quotation marks, or you can change them back into brackets. But of course, first you have to highlight what you want, and you go like that. So you can change that. And you notice that once again the essential keywords are at the top of the IPTC list and at the top of your keyword list. And basically this is designed to help Alamy people submit their keywords online, and it cuts down on the amount of time that you have to spend doing it, and hopefully raises their rank so they do better there. Alright, so that is basically how to do Alamy keywording. Thank you very much, and take care.